I'm Henry, and let's review my trade on AVAX today. So we have, let's bring my chart into perspective. This black area is for my candlesticks. This area down here in the gray, this is a volume indicator. This area in the blue is a momentum indicator. So we have here, this is, we're coming into the last hour of the U.S. trading day. This 14 here to this 15 here. Okay, from this line here, 14, to this line here, 15. And let's bring our attention down here to the 15-minute chart. This is the 15-minute. This is the 1 minute. So the 15-minute chart, I have my Camarilla pivots laid out, and this chart is a large enough frame where we can see all of them. We won't be able to see them all here on the 1 minute. So here we have R4. So this is the trade that I'm making when I have a currency pair that the price moves above R4, which it does here on the 1 minute in this area. And then that coincides with this same area here on the 15 minute. So when I see this here, we'll also take into account, this is just the candlestick section, but this lets me know if I'm in a position to take or if I'm in the correct position to take the trade. And the only trade direction for this type of trade, which is an R4 to an R6 traverse. So this is R4, so I want to take it when the price breaks out of here. Same thing here. And you can see that it tested R4 earlier, but this candle, it never broke out any higher than the candle that it broke out at, where here we have a breakout and we have continuation. So this area here, we're coming into the last hour. We can see, bring our attention to the volume profile down here. We can see we have high volume. This yellow line is basically my line to let me know when a volume level gets to a certain level. So I'll put this mark here or put this line here, and if volume gets to a particular level that I'm interested in previously on the timeline, it'll hit that area again. It just shows the amount of, or the volume of the currency being exchanged here. So we can see in this area where I take my first entry and where it breaks out of R4, we can see that we have a high volume profile. We can see here momentum-wise that the buyers have momentum. So when I take an entry here, we'll zoom in. So I take an entry here right above R4. This is an early entry. I could have easily waited for pullback to the actual pivot to R4, which I did here at this entry. So got a bit excited. This one I wasn't watching. I just happened to be scanning and found it. So I jumped in, waited for pullback, added to the position. I saw this doji right here with this long wick here at the bottom, as if it potentially could be buyer here with support. So I decided to add into my position here at the 1440 candle. Price was able to move up and away from R4. Here we have pullback. I like this pivot low type formation that was happening here, and it seemed to be holding, having some support here. So when I took another, or I added here, and then let's see, you can see next to it again, it's putting in what looks like to me to be support with this 3 doji pattern here back to back. So I added into the position there. And here, this is the last pullback before it met my target. Up here, this is R6, right up here, where my target got hit. Right there. So you can see the full traverse right there. And took profits here at the 1580 mark right here. And let's see, we'll go to my sheet here. And we can see, let's see, these are the AVAX trades in this area here. But you get the idea. And these are the profits from these trades. But thank you for checking out my trades. Trade safe. See you next time.